Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 5 from exercise 11.1 chapter 11 mensuration. An ant is moving around a few foot pieces of different shapes. For which foot piece would the ant have to take a longer round? You can see question number A, one kind of foot piece is here. Question number B, another kind of foot piece, and question number C, third kind of foot piece. Three examples of foot pieces are there. In which foot piece the ant need to move longer distance? Now question number A, you can see it is a semicircle with diameter. The diameter is given 2.8 centimeter. It is very clear the diameter is given 2.8 centimeter. So to find the radius, we will divide it by 2. Diameter by 2 is radius, that is 1.4. 2.8 by 2, 1.4 centimeter. Now circumference of the semicircle. Circumference of the semicircle, two pi r or only pi r, because it is a semicircle. So pi r means, now after finding the radius, circumference of the circle, you know pi r, because semicircle, complete circle 2 pi r, semicircle 2 pi r by 2, that is pi r. So value of pi 22 by 7, r 1.4 centimeter. Cancel it. 7 and 1.4, 0.2. Multiply this with 22, then it will be 4.4 centimeter. Therefore total distance covered by the ant, now total distance covered by the semicircle is 4.4 centimeter, and therefore this semicircular length is 4.4 centimeter, and when you are finding the total length, then pi r plus diameter, that is 4.4 plus 2.8, it will be 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry, 7.2 centimeter. So the distance covered by the ant in the first foot piece is 7.2 centimeter. Now come to the next foot piece. Here you can see the shape of the foot piece. Here it is a semicircle, and we know the circumference of the semicircle already we have find out in solution A. So radius 1.4 centimeter, diameter 2.8, so radius 1.4, and the circumference pi r, and we have find out the calculation we have done in the previous sum, it is 4.4 centimeter. The same way we will find out, it is the circumference is 4.4 centimeter. And you can see that this length is 1.5 centimeter. Similarly, this is also 1.5 centimeter. This is also 1.5 centimeter. Now you have to find the total distance covered by the ant, and this one is 2.8 centimeter. Total distance covered by the ant 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 2.8. You can see 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 2.8, 2.8 plus this circumference, which is 4.4 centimeter, 4.4 centimeter. In total, you need to find the total length, total distance covered by the ant. Add this all and you will get. So the total distance covered by the ant is 10.2 centimeter. Now come to the next question. Now in this diagram, you have to find the total distance covered by the ant. You can see this is a semicircle. The diameter is again 2.8 centimeter. So radius 1.4 centimeter, circumference pi r 22 by 7, 1.4. You know that already we have find out it, 4.4 centimeter. Cancel it, you will get 4.4 centimeter. Now the total distance covered by the ant from here to here, it is 4.4, then 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So the total distance covered by the ant 4.4 plus 2 centimeter equal to 8.4 centimeter. So this is the distance, these are the three distance covered by the ant Then in the question it is given that, now in the question it is written that it is for which foot piece would the ant have to talk the ant have to take a longer round. Now you have seen that in figure A it was 7.2 centimeter, figure B it was 10.2 centimeter, and in figure C it is 8.4 centimeter. So it is very clear that for figure B the ant would take a longer round. Understood? A very small sum. Practice it. Thank you, students.